What's up, all you cool cats and kittens? Good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time it is where you're at. Welcome, once again. It's March 29th, and I worked a 7-hour shift today. I think I did pretty well for only working DoorDash and taking one Instacart order. Let's see, right here. Yeah, right here. I'll post a screenshot of what I made today. It was over $180 for the day, 7 hours. It comes out to about $26 an hour. You know, fantastic for me because I used to make $14.25 an hour. No, I'm sorry. $14.28, and that was after a raise. So besides the earnings, this is going to be more of a quick update video because my allergies are kicking my butt today. The wind has been blowing all damn day. I am so overly exhausted. I feel like I could fall asleep. But first things first, I want to say thank you for the positive feedback and the support of the last video that I put out. It did a lot better, or is currently doing a lot better than I thought it would. With all that kind of got me thinking on how I want to run this channel. And what I would like to do moving forward, let me get my notes back up. What I'd like to do moving forward is I want to keep putting out my weekly big video of the ride along on any given day, which will most likely be on I'll record on every Wednesday and hope to have it out by midday Saturday. That's the plan. Smaller videos like this, I'd like to have out midday Tuesday, morning Tuesday. But smaller videos are going to be more towards news related to gig economy stuff. Like recently, there's been rumblings about DoorDash hiding tips, so it'll deter cherry pickers. I honestly haven't looked that far into it. But with some of the some of the orders I've been seeing, I could definitely see where there's a case to be made about hiding tips, because there's been a lot of, I take a $10 order, all of a sudden it's $14 after I'm all done. So it's weird. Other videos I'd like to do for the smaller scale, for the 5-minute videos or so, various tips and tricks videos, safety, everyday carry, and just kind of anything that pops up into mind. I have a lot of thoughts while I'm driving because there's a lot of idle time between delivering or going to the restaurant to pick up the orders, and just various little things that I can think of, or just hold a story time about something positive. Something positive did happen to me today, even though the wind kind of kicked my butt. Like I said, it was extremely busy on the tail end of the lunch rush. I go into From the Hearth to pick up 2 different orders. Stupid me, always check the receipt, always check the order, because I forgot almost all the drinks. There was 4, I only grabbed 1. So both customers weren't too thrilled, understandably, because I'd be a little upset too. But I ran back to From the Hearth, and they were more than glad to help me get the drinks needed. They pulled up receipts. They all got it stuck into my, this little bad boy. Look at this thing. It's so awesome. And it folds out, and then watch this. Look at that. It folds up. Bam. Easy storage. Anyways, but they helped me get all the drinks. I came right back, running back across town, got everything delivered. Everybody was happy, but huge shout out to them here in Red Bluff. Go support them if you're in Red Bluff. I haven't had much dealings with any other From the Hearth outside of my area, so I wanted to give a positive spin on a potentially negative situation. You always got to look for the silver linings and stuff. I'll more than likely be putting out another video this week. Thursday's my birthday, so I might record on that day just to see what kind of luck I can bring myself. Completely in town and try to make my goal like I do every single day, which more times than not I can Usually hit $100, no problem. It's just a matter of if I want to go that extra mile to get that 150, 160, 170, or even 200. I had a shot at 200 today, but I just didn't have the patience after 7 hours of non-stop driving. And I know a lot of people have done longer. Oh, they've done 12, 13, 14, 24 hours, even though you're not supposed to go over 12 hours anymore in California. Some people still do somehow. But maybe this summer I'll try to do one of those challenges. Do a 12-hour straight and see how much I can make. I'm confident I can make a crap ton of money if I actually do 12 hours on the correct day. But that will have to wait until summertime when I'm allowed to stay out past 7 o'clock, 7, 8 o'clock, when I can actually leave at 8 and then come back at 8. Anyways, thank you again for all the support you've been giving me lately. Give this video a like, hit the subscribe button. If you want to find a way to support me, look in the description below. It'll have sign-up codes, a free stock from Robinhood, stuff like that. But if nothing else, leave a like, because I think that is the best way to support me and this channel at the moment. Just give it a big old thumbs up, because I'm a nice guy, you're a great person, and we're all in this together. So with that, I'm gonna start up, get my seatbelt back on. I'm gonna head home for the night. I'm gonna upload this to my computer. Probably just call it a night, because like I said, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. That's about all I got. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.